Happy week of December 10th, Van Horn staff. This is this week's Van Horn Hive. And remember, empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. All right, updates. We will have yearbook photos on December 11th. Life Touch will be on campus to come into classroom and take candid photos. So just be aware that they will be coming into your classrooms and asking to take pictures. On Wednesday, December 12th, that is our late day, so plan on staying until 3:20. We will have suicide prevention training hosted by Miss Witt and Miss Jamie from 1:45 to 2:45. And then we will be taking our Christmas card photo from 2:45 to 3:20. I will be sending out more information regarding the Christmas card photo, so please stay tuned. On Thursday, December 13th, we will have our December SSTs. Make sure all your paperwork is up to date and complete as you go into the SST. Also, this is the time to start reviewing who you marked as at risk after first quarter report cards and prepare for SSTs in January for any students who you think will still be at risk at that time. We have several music productions coming up over the next few weeks that they need to prepare for. We will have an instrumental assembly on Thursday, December 13th from 1:45 to 2:30. This is only for 4th through 6th grade. Make sure that you bring all of your dismissal things because we will be leaving from the multi-purpose room on Thursday. We will also have a 5th and 6th grade chorus practice on Friday, December 14th from 1:30 to 2:30. So please prepare. Make sure you send your kiddos with their backpacks because they will be leaving from chorus practice on December 14th. Some reminders. I would love for grade levels to discuss their thoughts on Eureka Math training. That was one of the agenda items at last week's PLC, though I know that there are some grade levels off campus. There are 2 more trainings that will take place in spring. Please let me know if you'd like to replace a Go Math unit with a Eureka unit in the upcoming month. I will definitely pay for printing and prep of that unit. If you are planning on having a holiday party either this week or next, please let Miss Melissa and Miss Bethany know in the office so that they can plan for visitors and treats. If you have a list of volunteers, please give those to Miss Melissa and Miss Bethany as well. If you are doing any unique holiday art or writing, please send students to the office so that I can hear their writing or see their art. I would love to showcase any positive things happening on campus. Our staff Christmas party is this Friday, December 14th. If you haven't paid yet, please pay Miss Akins right away. Then the week of December 17th through the 21st, we will be having various holiday dress-up days. Please look for a schedule to come. All right, shout-outs. A big thank you to Miss Mniffen and Miss Heinley for returning from training on Monday due to a lack of substitutes. I'm glad that you guys were able to go at a different day in the week. Thank you to Mrs. Akins and Miss Whiteley for spearheading the hot chocolate and the flight ticket winners on Friday. I'm sure they loved it. Thank you for Mr. Haycock for coordinating Feel Good Friday in the morning due to my absence. Thank you to Mrs. Randolph for helping with a difficult 3rd grade student earlier in the week. And thank you to Mrs. Whiteley for taking in a difficult 6th grade student earlier in the week. Thank you to Miss Britton, Miss Borges, and Mrs. Paletta for creating last-minute independent study assignments. This is crucial for us getting our ADA money, and I appreciate all the work that you guys have done with that. And then last but certainly not least, thank you to Miss Bethany for coordinating the independent study agreements. All right, that's it for this week's communication. Please remember our school-wide foci: planning and instruction for ELA and math, data-driven instruction and backwards mapping, and PBIS, our school-wide matrix. Have a great week.